Okay, so we'll do a practice job one here because these are quite tricky. Okay, we have 3 salespeople in a clothing store, and their following table summarises their sales on one day and the people they served. Okay, so, okay, and this is interesting. This is a priori because we're looking back into the past here. We're not looking into the future. We're just looking at these. One of them was a mystery shopper. What's the probability that she was served by Claire? Well, in fact, there is no probability because she either was or she wasn't. But we'll just talk about it anyway. There are 3 salespeople in a clothing store. The following table summarises their sales. So Claire served 15 people, Simon served 30, and Kim served 15, total of 60. And just looking at that, who do you think has a better record of sales? Who's the best selling person? Okay, hands up those who think Claire. Simon? Kim? I'm with you, actually. I think Simon. Yeah, because even though, depends on whether they both worked full time. Maybe Simon's much quicker, but he did actually sell to 12 people. But what we were looking at, I quite like too, is that Claire managed to sell to 2/3 of the people she dealt with. But she could have been one of those real nasty salespeople that just looks and just spots the ones who are going to sell and deals with them and ignores the other people. Whereas Simon's a bit fast, so hard to know. Anyway, one of the customers was a mystery shopper. What's the probability if she was served by Claire? So we want to know the probability that's going to be served by Claire is the number who was served by Claire, which is 5. Oops. I've got a mistake in my answers yet again. Okay, so 15 over 60, which equals 0.25. Okay, now it's just in my my answers that are on the board. Yeah, that will appear in a minute or two on Blackboard. There's a little slight mistake there. Okay, given that the customer was served by Claire, what is the probability she didn't buy something? Okay, so given they're served by Claire, that means we're only interested in this line here. So the probability they didn't buy is going to be 5 over what? 15. So it comes to 0.33. Okay, so that's conditional probability. Oops, I have got one more idea. Sorry.